Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make steamed pork ribs with sweet rice powder. This is a very popular dish in southern China. I normally buy good baby pork ribs and ask the store to cut them into short pieces like this. For sweet rice powder, you can either make from raw sweet rice or just use sweet rice powder bought from stores. But I prefer to make it myself, especially when I want it to be coarsely grinned. First, wash clean pork ribs. Cut ribs into individual pieces. Cover them with plenty of water and sit for about half an hour so blood can come out. Then wash clean and set aside. Now prepare sweet rice powder. First, put some sweet rice into a non-stick pan. Add a little Sichuan peppercorns, star anise, and bay leaves. Heat up the pan over medium heat and stir the rice constantly until the color turns a little yellow and the fragrance comes out. This can take up 10 minutes. Now, dump the rice and the spices into a grinder and grind them up into coarse powder. If you don't like the strong smell and taste of star anise, you can remove them before grinding. And then reserve. Stir cook hot chili pepper sauce in oil. Heat up oil in the pan over medium heat and add some hot chili sauce. Stir for a couple minutes and reserve. Cut up some ginger into tiny pieces and reserve. Now, marinate the pork ribs. Add ginger, salt, soy sauce, cooking wine, oyster sauce, and the fried hot chili sauce into the pork ribs. Mix them up. Now adding ground sweet rice in 3 separate batches. Mix them up after each addition. Cover the container with food wrap and put into refrigerator and let it sit for an hour. Cut up some fresh potato pieces and lay onto a steaming plate into a single layer. Now carefully arrange the marinated pork ribs into a single layer on the top of potato pieces. Now ready to steaming. Put the plate into a steamer and turn down stove on high heat. Once the steamer starts steaming, steam for 1 hour. When time's up, the steamed pork ribs with the sweet rice powder is ready to serve. Please let me know how you like this recipe, and thanks for watching Luke Cookbook. See you next time.